yeah. No sé si se puede por aquí hoy. Déjame ver. We are right here on Neptune. Ooh, yeah. Wow. Let me turn around. Tiene frío ella, mira. Mira, 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 mira. Juan Pablo, le estamos enseñando. Está bien frío. We are in Neptune. It's a storm. It's been raining for days. Look at my face, burned out with the wind. There's nothing I can do about it. Anyway, we just got right here. I got Lucy, I got Juan Pablo, her son. We just build a bonfire. We're gonna cook some bratwurst. I'm gonna have a, look at this. That is a boy beer, double IPA. Anyway, let me turn around and show you where we are. It's a beautiful place. There's the fire. They're getting some drinks. Look at the river. Oh man, this is beautiful. That's Cummings Creek right there. Oh man, beautiful. Ya el muchacho abonó ahí el pasto un poquito ahí. Look how beautiful. Oh man. It's raining a little bit. It's really cold, but the fire is working really good. There you go. We're gonna have some bratwurst. Oh, we got plenty of wood, and we're gonna make some bratwurst. I'm gonna have a beer. Lucy doesn't want to drink in front of her son, so she is gonna have a juice. Ooh, jalapeno potato chips. There you go. And look at the fire. Oh man. Ooh. Huh, we got bratwurst. These ones are from Costco. There you go. Lucy want a double sausage. Look at that. Wow. Let's check this. Oh yeah, it's really good. Mira, Lucy.
De buen apetito. De buen apetito yo.
Bueno, ahora que estamos disfrutando aquí, saludos allá a todos en Puerto Rico, a mi familia. Saludos allá en Bogotá, Colombia, a toda la familia de Juan Pablo y Lucy. Juan Pablo le va a mandar, ¿no le vas a mandar saludos a tu padre?
Sí, saludos, papá.
Hey, allá en California, el papá está en California, el papá de Juan Pablo. Mira, mira,
Saludos
mira.
a Sara.
Saludos a Sara.
Y saludos a Sara. Oh, no quiere meterse en problemas, él. Ok, ya veo. Yo voy a seguir bebiendo cerveza y voy a comer una bratwurst. I'm gonna make the plates and we're gonna keep enjoying. Let me gonna show you a little bit around before I keep going cooking. Before the rain is coming down really bad, it started raining. Hopefully we can finish this. Mira, se creen profesionales, todavía están cocinando la bratwurst. Mira. De frente ahí Oh man, it started coming down. It's raining.
Yo soy el culpable.
Están argumentando because I told them to bring more bratwurst, and they say I'm only gonna eat one. Yeah, right. They're fighting for my last one over here. They don't know. Oh yeah, look at that. No, I'm not gonna start a diet today. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Do you care? I don't. Bueno, el fueguito se está acabando. The fire is going down. Oh yeah. We just finished eating. I just drank a couple beers. I'm ready for a cup of coffee. And it's getting cold. It's getting cold. It's getting dark. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, we are gonna say goodbye. We are getting ready to pick everything up. We're just having a blast. We're really having a blast. We got wet for a little bit. The rain just came down, but it was actually really good. The bratwurst, the beers, the soda, the fire, everything was perfect. Until next time. Mira, papi, ya estamos recogiendo. We are picking everything. We still have some firewood, but we don't gonna use that. Rain is coming. There you go. Beautiful. Ooh, we still have a little bit of fire left. Ooh, it feels good. There you go. Let's go say bye to the beautiful scenery. That's Cummings Creek right there coming out. Neptune State Park.